Welcome back to first learning step. Today I am making another neon painting. Let's start. With the red color I am drawing a box. Then I select the yellow color and make its eyes and also nose. What do you think what I am making? Guess? Any idea, kids? Then with the yellow color I am making some line. I hope you have no idea what I am making. It's the French fries, kids. I'm sure every kids like the French fries. And it's done. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe and share. Take care and bye.